Hey traders, Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Friday. Alright, we're done with the second week of January. Half the month is already gone of 2021. About break even on the session with closed trades. We started, where were the trades? These are the ones that closed yesterday. So these are the trades overnight. We had Euro Yen breakout short, worked nicely. Then we had Euro Yen lose a few shorts from 125.70, and it's a bummer because it didn't really go much lower than those, but you can see that they did stop out. 1 minute trend only 5 pips. You know, pound yen got us, and now we're loaded up again on pound yen. Pound yen did finally get us a couple good ones here though. We got a monster 1 and 5 minute leg that was like 20 full position pips is what it was. It was 20 full position pips. These are both like half positions, but that was enough to make up. I think we were up about 4 or 5 full positions after that, and then this one only quarter position, so less than 4 P20 pips there. We're break even. We have this going. It looks good, but pound yen, you never know what it's going to do. But it's looking good to continue lower. We're in a 1 minute trend short. We're also in a monster short with the 5 minute leg of the monster getting ready to enter at some point. It hasn't really got a bearish candle yet, so we just put in a bull candle, so we need to get another bear candle on that to get our 5 minute leg in. Alright, so that's interesting. It does cramp up the grid there. Here, let's pull it down a little bit. Alright. Alright, so we may get a bearish candle here, and if we get a break below that, then we'll now have a 5 minute leg on our monster also entered, just to add to the fun. Alright, we actually do have a bearish candle. Alright, it looks like it's going to enter very soon here, guys. Another tick or so down, and we will be in this monster trade because we got the bearish. All we need is a break by a pip. The low on this is 25.9 on it. Oh, there it is. Okay, so we got it. Alright, so now we've got our monster 5 minute leg in. That's also up the weighting a bit. I've got the monsters actually weighted pretty heavily, half positions each leg, so I don't have those dynamically lot sized like I have the trends. Actually, the breakout 2 is not dynamically lot sized. Those are just simply, I think, quarter positions on those as well. So quarter position on the breakout 2s. Monsters are half positions on each leg because I've got a tight stop on those. And the 1 minute trend is dynamically weighted for a 1% risk. That's nice. It looks like we're going lower here, guys and gals. This candle will close in 20 seconds. So if this stays bearish, like this nice strong bearish candle, that's a good sign for the next candle. Nice. That's a nice candle. It's a really nice candle. It tells the market to just sell it. It tells the market to just sell pound yen. Pound yen looks like it's just getting set to just drop. It's getting out into these clear roads here. We should see big figures soon. There we go. Let's do it. Growth target, 1 pip. Maybe I should just close this one. Alright, I'll get rid of it. We hit our growth target on a short Friday session. That's what I wanted to do. Very good. And did not even have to do anything but let the VTA work. But look, 2.5%. Today this week, we only eked out 1%. We had a little rough start to the week, but we were able to fight back and actually end positive. So we're up 16% so far, first 2 weeks of 2021. Can't complain about that. Trade safe, guys. We'll see everybody Monday.